Stay with us. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Now we're writing alphabets. Vivid purple color. Kids, the next one is yellow green color, black color, geranium color, and the next one is deep olive green color, emerald green color, forest green color, Persian blue color. Subscribe to our channel. Baby blue color, cream color exactly, scarlet color, and the last one is pastel pink color. Let's start writing capital letter alphabets. A, B, C, D. Exactly, now we're writing E. And the next one is F, F for fish. So kids, now we're using the color of forest green. The alphabet of G. The next one is H. Now we're writing I, J, K, L, L for lemon, geranium color, M, N, O, P, Q, and the last one is R, silver color, blue color, dark pink color, orange color. Kids, the next one is yellow color, dark green color, sky blue color, light green color, brown color, light pink color, white color. Kids, the next one is black color exactly, red color, and the last one is purple color. So kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Now start writing. Kids, stay with us. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and the next one is I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. The next one is Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Now start writing. Pink color, white color, red color, dark gray color, light gray color, yellow ochre color, orange color, blue color, purple color, green color, yellow color, black color. B, C, D, E, F, G. Stay with us. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. The next one is O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Stay with us. Silver color, yellow color, green color, exactly sky blue color, black color, dark pink color, white color, purple color, orange color, light pink color, blue color, red color, and the next one is brown color, and the last one is dark green color. Kids, now we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. A, B, C, D, E, F, and the next one is G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Now we're writing alphabets. Dark pink color, yellow color, silver color, exactly light green color, purple color, sky blue color, brown color, orange color, dark green color, white color, red color, exactly light pink color, black color. Now we're writing alphabets. Stay with us. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. A, B, C, D, and the next one is E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Exactly. The next one is numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. Now we're writing alphabets and numbers. Dark pink color, sky blue color, silver color. Kids, the next one is dark green color, purple color, brown color, light pink color, blue color, and the next one is orange color, the color of orange, white color, red color, yellow color. The next one is black color, and the last one is exactly light green color. Now we're writing alphabets and numbers.
Ang ibigay ko hindi ko lo shield.